Hey, welcome back to the channel. Just want to come on real quick. I'm still in the middle of my week 2 of this Mounjaro journey. And I said I just want to give you like a little update because I told you I was going to come back and give you like videos in the midst of the weeks that I'm doing this journey. And just want to come on and share with you what's been happening and what I've been doing. But before we start, we're always going to do the 20 seconds for God. So today's scripture is 2 Corinthians 5:7. It says, "For we walk by faith, not by sight." 2 Corinthians 5:7. So we're basically talking about if you believe a thing, you can act upon that thing and expect the manifestation of that thing. Well, I'm going to break it down easy for you. If you walking by faith and you believe what you're walking by, you can manifest that thing. I believe that I'm going to be healthy and I'll be wealthy and wise. That's why I started this Mounjaro journey. So I believe that I'm going to lose weight. I believe my A1C is going to go down. I believe I'm going to get off all types of medicine because I'm walking by faith, not by sight. And faith is acting on what you believe. And since you act on what you believe, you got to act accordingly. So that's why we're talking about we walk by faith, not by sight. So we always do that when I give you my updates on this Mounjaro journey. So expect more. So now let's get into this update I want to talk about. And mind you, I'm just eating a little bit of oatmeal. That's one thing I'm going to let you know. Because on this journey, I'm realizing I'm not as hungry as I was before. Let me chew this first. I'm not as hungry as I was before. You see, you got that oath. Yeah. I'll say it again. I'm not as hungry as I was before. And going throughout the day, I got to remind myself to eat. Because like I told you before, this Tirzepatide or Mounjaro, it suppresses your appetite. And like I said before, I used to eat all day, like eat donuts for breakfast and big breakfast, eggs, grits and all this other stuff, and then eat lunch or go to McDonald's, eat lunch and all that stuff, and then eat dinner, a big dinner, and then my numbers be going all up out of the sky and all that stuff. But now, I was cutting down on that before, but now, I've been starting taking this medicine, suppressing my appetite. And like I said, something I got to remind myself to eat. And my A1C and the glucose numbers have been going down, and I'm like trying to adjust to it. Because it's a different feeling when your numbers are 145, 185, when you wake up in the morning to being 90, 89, 85, when you wake up in the morning. So it's a big adjustment. And I'm like, wow, this is how it feels to be healthy, to have your numbers regulated the way it's supposed to be. I'm like, wow. So, like I said, eating. I'm eating some whole grain oatmeal. And, it tastes good. It's not regular oatmeal. It's whole grain oatmeal. Stone pressed or stone crushed oatmeal, the way they call it like that. I don't know what it is. But I've been eating this for the past couple of months. But now it's different because it gives me 20 grams of protein and whatever else vitamins they put in there. But it said 20 grams of protein. And that helps regulate your A1C and glucose level also. When it tastes real good. I don't got to put no sugar or nothing in there. It comes, all, what they call it? Maple syrup flavor and all that stuff. Anyway, that's what I'm eating right now. What I had for breakfast, I just had my protein shake for breakfast. And now I'm eating the oatmeal. But here's the update I want to give you, because I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I appreciate you following my Mounjaro journey. Since the last video, I weighed myself. I said I was going to weigh myself every time I take the shot, but I weighed myself this morning just to see where I'm at. So right now, I told you the last video I was 232. Then I said I was 227. I weighed myself this morning 225 point something. So I'm 225 point whatever. So say 225. So the weight is going down. Also, I'm still doing my daily walks, walking in the park. Right now I'm in the car. I finished doing my daily walk. I'm already home. And I said, just let me shoot the video, because I was going to shoot a video once a week and do an update. Here is the update. And that's why I'm doing a video right now, unscheduled video. So Everything is going good so far. And one thing I want to let you know, you got to keep your mindset right. Why I say keep your mindset right? Because like the scripture we just talked about, we walk by faith, not by sight. If I didn't believe I can overcome this challenge of my A1C going out of control, and I can control the A1C by taking this Mounjaro and then getting off it because my numbers are in control and I'm living healthier, I wouldn't even do this. So I saw it in my mind, because last year I told you I made a decision and was eating healthier and doing what I had to do, exercising more. I got off the Metformin. So I knew I could do it back then. I said I could do it now. And I'm using this medicine to help me get off all the medicines. That's what my faith say. That's what I'm acting upon. And since I'm acting upon it, I believe it's going to work, and I know it's going to work. So what are you acting upon that you believe? It doesn't even have to be your health. It could be your wealth. It could be your finances. It could be your family. It could be whatever, your job. It doesn't matter what you're trying to accomplish. If you walk by faith, not by what you see, you can have that what you say you believe you have, because faith is acting on what we believe. So type in the comment section, what do you believe you can have? Yeah, I know this is an update for the Mounjaro journey, but this is who I am. I'm trying to motivate you. I'm not just trying to motivate you to lose weight. I'm trying to motivate you to live your life, because no reason in the world you have to live your life struggling. No reason in the world you got to live your life trying to survive. No, God didn't put you here to survive. He put you here to thrive. And if you don't even know that, I'm here to remind you. Because if you're walking by faith, you can see it in your mind. You can have it in your hands. If you see it in your mind, you can live it and touch it with your hands. Because everything you see in the canvas of your imagination is not just a picture and you just enjoying it right there. No, you living in that imagination. That's the blueprint of what you can live in this natural realm. That's just a little tip I want to give you, because everything I'm talking to you about, this is my experience. This is my life. That's why they call me Anthony My Time. This your first time listening to my video? Welcome to Anthony My Time. My time means this is my experience. And if you've never been here before, welcome. If you've been here before and rock with the My Time community, thank you for coming back. Thank you for the support, because I couldn't do it without you. I couldn't do it without you. And it's just this part of the Mounjaro journey I'm not going to leave motivated and inspiring you. Because what got me through everything I went through, God motivated me. God inspired me. He gave me his word, and I believed his word, and I acted upon his word, because his word says in 2 Corinthians 5:7, for we walk by faith, not by sight. And I'm walking in what God has already imagined for me to live in. So, like I said, what do you believe that you can receive and manifest right now? Type in the comment section, because I want to help you. And I not only want to help you, I want to see you thrive in your life. So let's get to it.